Say hi, Mommy. It's a hot day. I'm just out here at my tummy show. I think Mommy's gonna take off my diaper so I can stay naked in the sun. You need sunglasses, don't you, Bubby? Not right now. Mommy's got me in the shade. Relaxing in the shade. You see what your brother's up to? Okay, let's go check. Let's go check. What's he doing?
I got this.
What are you doing? That looks like fun. Where are you going? You running? Show me how you do your tire swing in the sprinklers. You're gonna show me? It's a nice day for sprinklers, isn't it? You should get a bath outside today, huh? You want Mommy to wash your hair outside today?
Huh?
So do you want Mommy to wash your hair outside today?
Yeah.
Yeah?
That'll be fun.
Yeah, and then you'll be squeaky clean at bedtime.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be really muddy soon. Is it slippery?
No. What?
You're not gonna fall?
No. I just did, see?
Yeah, I do see.
I'm walking in mud.
I see that, muddy feet. I think I'm gonna fill up your pool in a little bit.
Huh?
I'm gonna fill up your pool in a little bit.
Hey, that was too
Yeah. It's not too cold, right?
It is gonna be cold.
Silly goose. I'm coming, I hear you. I hear you. You calling Mommy? Because I hear you. Are you getting hungry?
Watch this, Mom. Watch this.
Okay, I'm watching. What are you doing?
Oh my God.
I'm gonna go get some lunch. It's lunchtime.